Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back again. Today I would like to know something about my friend's IELTS preparation. He has told me that he is taking preparation for IELTS. So I would like to know why are you taking preparation for IELTS as you are a student of Komi Madrasa. I have not seen any students from Komi Madrasa who is uh, barely taking preparation for IELTS. Would like to improve
Okay.
their English level.
Thank you so much for giving me a wonderful chance. I would like to share with you my personal story. So, as well as I would like to share my interesting story, how and why I'm preparing for the IELTS, and I'm a
Yeah.
madrasa background student. So, I would like to describe my position. And once upon a time, I was very weak at spoken English, but after a few days, I realized I have to learn. I have to struggle a lot. Without struggling, without practicing, I won't be success in our English language journey. So then I got one teacher. He inspired me. He motivated me to be fluent at English. At the same time, he told me, he advised me to be a master at English actually. And there are many people at this moment in our country. They want to learn English. Most
So
of the people, they are from general background, but madrasa background, only a few student and few most of the people of our country, they teach the students English language, and I think that all these teachers, they're from general background and also English medium background. But from madrasa background, there
yeah.
are just a few trainer. So my honorable teacher, he personally advised me to be a master at English, so that my society, my Komi madrasa student, they can be a English learner.
Yeah, brother,
Okay.
what do you think? The IELTS preparation or sitting for IELTS is the only way of learning English?
Not only way, because I'll just English testing system,
Yeah.
and this is a just exam. But if I get 7 out of 9, then I will get so many opportunities and option to do something for my society at the same time, for general students. So we know the proper way, and actually we completed intermediate or intermediate level from Sunnah Skill Abraham Institute. And all this curriculum based on Oxford or Cambridge University. So this is the perfect curriculum for learning any kind of
Yeah.
language.
So I have seen lately that there are lots of international madrasa
Okay.
where they are uh, claiming for practicing Muslim teacher. So as you are a practicing Muslim, I can see. So there is a great opportunity, and there is a yes, obviously open for you to represent yourself and to make your level upper and to express your ideas and thoughts with students as you like to teach in a madrasa. So, uh, as you are going to sit for IELTS, what do you think? Are you taking preparation properly, and are you satisfied with your preparation in 4 modules?
Obviously, because in this present time we are preparing for the IELTS from the best teacher of all of this country. In our country there are many teachers, there are many trainer and IELTS teacher. So all they are many very much popular and famous. But I think that our teacher is best teacher, and their best IELTS teacher. We will be able to achieve many things, many opportunities, many tips and tricks from this teacher. So I
Yes.
think this is a great opportunity for me to be prepare for the IELTS.
So thank you, brother. As you have expressed your thoughts, you are going to sit for IELTS, and in near future, would like to represent the Komi Madrasa, especially the international madrasa, which has been built in our Bangladesh, and he believes in quality education. So in this modern era, if you would like to do something, you have to be a master of English, and he is doing the exact thing. And I really appreciate him for his initiative, and I would like to give the message to all the students from Komi Madrasa who are trying to be fluent in English. Try to be motivated from our Nahid brother, who has acquired a great lesson from this course, and he's doing really well, inshallah. And in near future he will represent his own country. So through these the ummah will be benefited, I think. So inshallah we will meet in our next video. Until then, assalamu alaikum.